All right, this is number 28. 28 asks us, we're given mu is equal to 11.5, sigma is 2.7. I'm not going to work through all these items, but I thought I'd pick a few of them, which would be representative of the kinds of things you're going to be doing. So, given the standard deviation, I'm sorry, the mean is 11.5, the standard deviation is 2.7. Let's see if we can find the probability of being between 10 and 14. The way we write between is the extended inequality. Mean is 11.5, standard deviation 2.7. 11.5. 10, all we need to know is 10 is over here somewhere, 14 is over here somewhere. The specific distance is irrelevant. We shade the piece we're looking for. All right? So there are going to be two z-scores. There are going to be two table values. The shading, this region of the number line, the technical word squiggly line, corresponds to this region. So that's the region we want to find. All right? So we have two z-scores. Z number 1 is 10 minus 11.5 over 2.7. And z number 2 is 14 minus 11.5 over 2.7. I'm going to adjust this so maybe you can hear me better. Hopefully that'll help you to hear me better. Let's see. So what do we have here? I have 10 minus 11.5 and then divide that by 2.7. I have negative 0.555. We will use negative 0.56. Let's see, we have 14 minus 11.5 and then divide that by 2.7, and that is 0.9259, round 0.93. So I have 0.93 and negative 0.56. Now we have two table values to find. I won't show that because hopefully you're becoming adept at this by now. Negative 0.56. I have 0.2877. 0.2877 is the table value here. And the table value from the negative 0.90123, negative 0.93, I have 0.1762. 0.1762. So table values go on the line. So from the table value, the value from 10, I'm sorry, I used the negative here. This is incorrect. I used the negative. I need positive. Check my mistake. I used negative. We need the positive value. 0.93 is 0.8238. 0.8238. So check my mistake. I originally used the negative. I checked myself. This is the positive value. So these values go on the arrows. So 0.2877, 0.2877, and then 0.8238 is on the line for the 14, the arrow, 0.8238. You see how I noticed my error? This is 1762. There's no way this large region could only be 17 if this small region was 28. So I found there was an error. So I went back to check myself, and I found that I used the wrong signum here. This should have been positive. All right, so remember what this represents. Whenever we want to find the value in between, The rule is we always end up taking the large probability, subtract off the small. From here on down to negative infinity, which is more than we want, is 0.8238. It is more than what we want. This is precisely the piece we want to discard. So our probability that 10 is less than x, which is less than 14, the value is between 10 and 14, is given by, we subtract 0.8238 minus 0.2877 and I'll clear. So I have 0.8238 minus 0.2877, 0.5361. That's the value we're looking for.